so zucchini flowers, look at these. These are beautiful. So what we're gonna do is make these into ricotta zucchini flower fritters. We're gonna put it through a sieve. Why? Because it's gonna be so much fluffier. See, this is making it nice and fluffy. It's almost like you're giving it an airiness.
It looks like whipped cream.
Absolutely, absolutely. Lemon zest. This is gonna give some nice lemony citrus flavor.
No, this looks like lemon ice cream.
Lemon ice cream. Okay, yeah. Mint. Smell that, smell that. Smell that.
Smells minty.
Lots of mint, just gives it a beautiful kind of fresh flavor and a beautiful backdrop to the ricotta and the lemon. 2 eggs.
Plop.
Plop. Salt. And some pepper.
You get nice and peppery.
Now, zucchini flowers. In my house, non si butta nulla. You throw nothing out. We're gonna get this and we're gonna chop these up. Look how gorgeous these things are. Just a couple of tablespoons of flour. Everything gets mixed. Doesn't that look good, G?
Mm-hmm. Looks fun. Will they be fried into like little balls?
Little balls. Yeah, little ricotta balls. We're just gonna give it a little taste. Just like this. Just like this, you can eat it. You can taste the lemon zest, the mint, and that beautiful zucchini flower. Beautiful. Okay, now we're gonna bring it and fry it up. Come on. So we have our mixture, and now we're gonna heat up a pan with a little bit of oil. Now, we're just going to create little fritters. Now flip. Okay. Look at that, Ems.
That looks so good.
Yummers.
You stole my line. That's copyright.
Copyright?
Copyright.
Okay, I'm sorry.
This looks nice.
Looks nice.
We outdid ourselves today.
We outdid ourselves, okay.
We.
Let's go. Oh my God, you can smell the
lemon.
The lemon and the mint. Okay, so here we go. So look at their light, fluffy.
And filled with ricotta.
And the beautiful zucchini flower.
And how are they?
Oh my God. They're so good.
What do they remind you of?
Kind of like fluffy pancakes.
Pancakes?
Creamy ricotta. Not pancakes, but
They remind me of whipped cream.
so good.
And I love the taste of whipped cream.
Gotta go, honey.
Really? For me?
Mm-hmm. Oh, look who arrived. Georgia, who started the video and then decided to leave. Come on, G, try it.
It tastes like a savory pancake.
Right? That's what I said. Aren't they good? Yeah, you taste the mint and the lemon.
Savory.
The creamy ricotta.
More?
Of course. Good job, girls.